Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing or redoing a perm rod set. If you would like to see how I achieve these results, please stay tuned. But first and foremost, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please take the time out to subscribe. Click that button down below and click the bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. This time, if you watched a few videos ago, I did perm rod set and it was a fail, but this time I did smaller rollers and I made sure my hair was completely dry, and it's not so humid in Florida right now. It's calming down, so these results will probably stay up. But I'll put pictures and stuff at the end, you know, or on Instagram. So yeah, anyway, so without further ado, just get into the madness of it all. All right, everybody, that is all for today. That is it. I hope you like this video. I am super pleased with my results. This is what I should do the first time anyway, just because I personally like a smaller roller set, just because I like this, and then throughout the week it just kind of gets bigger and bigger. I like that. So, and I like how curly it is. So let me give y'all a texture. Get up in here so y'all can see. It's so curly. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's all for today's channel. I hope you that's all for today's video. I hope you all liked it, and I hope you got some tips, got some tips and such while watching the video. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. In the comment section, please let me know your experience with perm rods, if you like this style, if you want more styles like this, and what have you. And oh, before I go, I want to talk about the mousse that I use. It was a ORS Curls Unleashed mousse. Was it a mousse? Yeah, it's a mousse. I don't have it. It's over there. So, but just a mini review on that. I loved it. Okay, my hair is soft. It's not hard. It doesn't have that white flakiness coming out when I was separating, so that's a good thing. So go get that. That's a thumbs up. So I would definitely recommend that for your perm rod set. So yeah, I really did like how my curls came out. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'm out of here. Make sure you follow me. Oh, I'm just looking at my makeup. Make sure you follow me on all my social media networks. It will be right here on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I will be putting behind the scenes, I put my pictures on there, some inspirational quotes on there, and whatever else on there. So make sure you follow me on my social media network. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just conveniently I will place the next video right here so you can see it. It was a 5 tips on how to fluff and separate your curls when you're taking down your style. So everybody needs a little bit of tips, so go ahead and check that out. It's right here. Just click it. It's easy. You don't even have to leave from this page. Just click that right there and it'll take you straight to the last video. All right, you all have a great day. Bye.